It's time for the Atom wash.
You're gonna pay back for this?
Oh no, I'll cover it.
Okay.
Hey, that's a little better. Ah, you can see the gimbal in here. There.
Yeah.
Alright, time to get $14 poorer.
Yeah, even though I spent, I don't know how much washing the Corolla.
Plus 20.
It was about that, yeah.
Probably if you're there for 20.
I was there for 20 minutes. It's $275 to start. Which actually isn't bad. Tap might.
That's not bad.
I'm jealous. Your tap works and mine doesn't.
Because my card is special.
Needs.
Please drive forward.
Please close the window, John.
I am. Fuck you.
Don't pull a me
No.
if this video gets 100 likes. No, 1,000 likes.
John, to open up the back window of the Sequoia and re-rinse the entire inside of the car.
Please place car in park.
The pre-soak cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle. The pre-soak cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
That one train was really close to that passenger.
Oh yeah.
A tricolor foam product is now being applied to your vehicle.
That looks suspiciously like single color foam.
A super sealing product is now being applied to your vehicle. A sealant product is now being applied to your vehicle. Acid-free rinse water is now being applied to your vehicle.
Thank you. Please exit slowly.
That was fun. Ah, no, wrong zoom. That is one nice and clean Honda CR-V. How was that? Hey, how dare you?
That was a key, wasn't it? That's a drop it in the water. It's soap, and it's also dry.
Alright, well, I need that back.
Yes, here you go. I was just getting behind the scenes footage.
Yes.
Looks good. Ah, mirror popped out.
How dare it?
We're technicians, but it says that it's not responsible for side mirrors. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I don't
Shut
care.
up, car. Let me shut this thing off so it doesn't...
Doesn't run out of fuel.
Yeah, since we can go fill it up. Doesn't look bad, though.
No, it did a great job.
I mean, if you compare it to the Prologue, which is hand washed, which funnily enough is the same color. Okay. Look at that versus that. I mean, it did a pretty damn good job.
Oh, yeah.
Pardon my language, but even still, I mean, it looks good. I'm happy with it. Yeah, well, I also sped through the blowers.
Well, the blowers are kind of crap here. Let's be real.
If they put new blowers in, it wouldn't be bad. Like, genuinely.
They need real blowers.
Look at the sides, though. Come here, look at the sides.
Yeah.
The sides, it's just, it's exactly like, there's another tunnel work. Why did that unlock?
Because you're somewhat close by.
No, it shouldn't have unlocked. See, look, the side mirrors are open.
Alright, well, thank you very much for watching. That'll be all.